fucking ticket one. I know one of these things got that fucking flow. Oh, yeah. No, I can't.
Yeah, it's so exciting. It says glamorous lights.
Boy, I wonder what that entails.
Yeah, what is this?
Nice!
Oh, that was like a poo.
So this one has the offer.
Stop fucking raining my fucking brain here.
I love China, you know. They just
Well, hey, they invented gunpowder. They can do whatever the fuck they want.
We paid down fucking 28 cents an hour to make our luxuries.
I like how this has to get lower and lower.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh boy. Oh.
No bang or nothing.
Glamorous lights.
Wow.
Let's get kind of dark. We gotta have
I've had a couple nights in bed like
Yeah, that was it. That was fucking.
Do a couple more of those Roman candles and empty the tube so we can
Me
stick
too.
warm.
Me too.
The sparkle's in, but there's no ooh or ah or... Oh, look. No bang. It's like three little things come out of it.
Yeah.